Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to wireframe sign in and sign up screens for a mobile app using MockFlow. We'll be using the mobile Sketchy UI kit, which is packed with pre-built components that are ready to use and easy to customize, making the wireframing process quick, smooth, and efficient. Let's get started. First, add a ready-to-use mobile frame from the UI kit to your canvas. Inside this frame, begin by placing essential components like the status bar. Once that's set, add your app logo. And include a page title. Since we're creating a sign-up page, something like Create Account would be a suitable choice. Right below the title, we'll add a brief description or instruction text using the text component. This will help set the context for the user and make the screen feel more welcoming. Now comes the most important part of the sign-up screen, the input fields. Start by dragging in text fields from the Form Elements section in the UI kit. For the name field, include a placeholder or guideline like Type your name to guide users while filling out the form. Next up is the email field, where the user will enter the mail ID. Just like with the name field, add a hint text, type your email. Also, don't forget to update the icon inside the field. Replace the default profile icon with a mail icon, so it's visually associated with the email input. Then, add the password field, which is where the user will enter their password. Again, use a text hint like, type your password. And change the icon to a lock or key to represent security. Additionally, include a show or hide toggle icon so that users can easily view or hide the password as they type it in. Before completing the sign-up process, users need to agree to your terms and conditions. For that, use a checkbox component and label it as something like Agree with Terms and Conditions. Once all the fields are filled out, users will proceed by tapping the Sign Up button, which confirms their information and submits the form. To make Sign Up even more accessible, add a section labeled or Sign Up with. This allows users to create an account using their social media profiles. For that, bring in social media icons from the Sketchy Icons 2 pack under the Logo section. To make them stand out and look organized, place each icon inside a rectangle component. This gives the feel of individual, clickable social media buttons. To save time, duplicate the rectangle and icons to create buttons for other platforms. This ensures consistency and allows users to choose the method they prefer. At the bottom of the sign-up screen, include a small message for users who might have accidentally landed on the wrong screen. Add a line like, Have an account? Sign in. Make sure that Sign In text is highlighted. This signals developers where to link to the actual sign-in page. Since we're designing for mobile, don't forget to add a navigation bar at the bottom of the screen to support app-wide navigation. And just like that, our sign-up screen is complete. Let's move on to designing the sign-in screen. The sign-in screen is for users who already have an account. We're going to reuse the sign-up screen layout and make a few adjustments, starting with changing the title to Sign In. This screen includes only two fields, email and password. But there are two additional elements we'll add here. First, a Remember Me checkbox, which allows users to stay signed in on their device. Second, a Forgot Password link that gives users a way to reset their password if they can't recall it. Just like before, after filling in the fields, the user will tap the Sign In button to continue. And for those who prefer quicker access, include a section labeled or Sign In with the same social media icons to allow logging in via other platforms. And that's it. We've now successfully created sketchy wireframes for both the sign up and sign in screens for a mobile application using MockFlow. That's how you wireframe a mobile sign up and sign in screen with a sketchy style in MockFlow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more UI UX and wireframing tutorials. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.